Okay, good day, ladies and gentlemen, or good evening. Welcome once again to the PM session. Uh, oh, God. Come, man, let's do this. Hmm. Let's do it, guys. Okay, I'm just reading text. Okay, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do this. Do not forget to like and subscribe as you're joining. Do not forget to like and subscribe as you're joining. Let's do this, man. Oh, okay, let me take a breather and go through the analysis. So, as you know, ladies and gentlemen, I I am long oil. I think I took oil yesterday. I just didn't decide not to flog yet, but I'm long oil in terms of long position. I am long oil. Um, I'm still looking for an upside. I'm long oil. Oh, shucks. You see, today I made a huge mistake. I hope this is not gonna affect me. Normally, my PC gets stuck if I hope this is not gonna affect my stream. I hope not. Uh, let's see. Uh, you look good. I hope I'm still audible. As you're coming through, check in, tell me where you're from and what have you been looking for. But anyway, I am long oil. I decided to go long on oil. I think this is a trade that I've taken. Also, I am I can't say I'm closely monitoring this trade, but I feel like if we were to retrace back to this area here, I could consider I could consider I can consider gold, but for now, no. The macroeconomics, at least I will explain that and why I feel like it's a bit overstretched for me. And gold today, at least it gains. Come on, man, this thing will disturb me. Um, so it's down 0.4% for today. And if it retraces back to the 38 or 50% mark, perhaps I will consider it. But for now, I won't be considering I won't be considering it. So oil for me it's a bit overstretched. I mean gold, but for me I'm long oil. I think there's high possibilities of oil prices going to the upside, given that there could be higher price higher prices for oil, and I think I'll explain that using the edge finder. And then on the other side, I am long the dollar for now, surprisingly. But the only trade that I have is here, but so I'm a bit bullish for the dollar. Let's just quickly go through it so that we get it done with. Where is this? Here we go. So So you can see that USD CAD is getting the highest reading. Look at the COT data. Institutions are buying gold. Retail positioning is long on the dollar, seasonality trend. So everything else, I think, favoring the dollar against the CAD. Just as GDP became neutral and PMI became neutral. Um, also USD JPY, it is bullish. USD CHF, they are still bullish. The only bearish thing with them is just retail positioning. And I'm not worried about retail positioning um, because sometimes we tend to be bearish when we have to be bullish. So I'm not worried about that. So it's something that I'm closely monitoring. Also GBP CAD. But just to remove all the noise, I'm gonna remove the neutrals just to remove all the noise here. So on the bearish side, we have NZD USD as bearish and Euro USD as bearish. Uh, yeah. And Nasdaq is starting to be bullish as well. I think we'll speak about Nasdaq and China and China 40 index. So those are the bullish and the bearish things, but I'm bullish on the dollar. Dow Jones also is bullish. So I think I will go through them as quick as I can. But remember, the Feds lately, they have been, if they have been looking at the jobs data, and then remember last time NFP was not looking good. The NFP data was bad. That's this was the last NFP. I think because of the jobs data, hence we got the rate cuts. But with those rate cuts, I think they are also, and also if during the rate cuts we saw sorry, I will get through your comments, guys. Just hang in there. Um look at that. Look what I'm doing. I'm being somehow. So interest rate is at 4.25 now after the 25 basis points cut. But I'm not looking for economic, I'm looking for inflation data. Here we go. But the Feds were also worried with with CPI, the inflation data, given the fact that as much as the jobs were bad, we saw an increase in inflation. And practically, this is not good as well. So I don't think we will get another cut. If we get a cut, we will get about two cuts for the year. But in the next sitting, I don't think we might get the rate cuts in the last sitting for the year. I think that's where I'm lying towards for me. And then let's just quickly look at the heat map. Oh, come on. Let's look at the economic heat map for the US. Okay. US economic heat map. If we were to look at the economic heat map, it's slightly bullish for the dollar, it's bullish for the stocks. We are practically bullish for both. And that can be very bearish for gold. I think we'll get into that. I spoke about the miss on NFP, which was bearish for the dollar. ADP was bearish as well. However, Jolt's opening that came out today looked good. On the 25th, was initial jobless claims also was bullish. So that says the jobs data it's a bit stable for now. I think that's why the dollar is starting to be bullish as well. GDP as well. So we got a good GDP number that's also bullish for the dollar, and that favors indices as well. So I think in a nutshell, the dollar or the dollar the U.S. economy is recovering, and the jobs data it looks like it's recovering as well. And just if we're to look at eco score relative, you see that USD CHF, USD JPY they are very bullish, while GU and EU they are bearish. EU and GU and EU they are bearish. Sorry about that. Also, silver and gold, they are starting to be bearish in terms of eco score, given the macroeconomics of it. And I did explain that if we were to look at this jobs data, it's a bit bearish for gold. We might get a good retracement for gold to the downside, given this economic indicators. Uh, I think that's what I think I wanted to discuss. But as I said before, trade ideas. We said we will look at USD JPY. I think we'll start with the USD JPY. I am looking for longs. If we get a much deeper retracement, I am gonna look for longs at this low. I will be watching it very closely. I will be watching it very close as we come back lower to the support 147.165. That's what I'm looking to long USD JPY. USD CHF, I am also contemplating and adding a limit here. I think I'll add a buy limit. At first, I thought, yeah, I will add a buy limit just above there. Let me quickly do it already while we're still at it. And as I said before, for oil, I'm in a bit drawdown. I'm hoping for a good recovery to the upside. So USD CHF, Um, just gonna quickly add a limit on it. So for every trade that I'll take, I'm thinking I'll be starting to blog on YouTube on my Facebook channel. I think that makes life easy for me, given the fact that I'm not always on the charts. Okay, my limit is set. Yeah, my limit is set. So if you retrace lower, I'm just gonna lock this here. If we trace lower, I am gonna go long on USD CHF. While USD CAD, for me, it's a bit stretched. I am looking for a slightly deeper retracement as we come back to hold this previous support again, to look for the upside again. I think that's where I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for USD CAD. Um, Before I go for the berry side, also GBP CAD, I think I doubted this trade for the longest time. Oh shit. I doubted this trade. Let me remove this to make my life easier. I think I doubted this trade. Now I'm interested in this trade now. Because I just wanted to see a confirmation, yeah. And I think I will be interested in longing this year. I'm not gonna add a limit to target this high. Uh, so I'll be closely monitoring it. So I will be closely monitoring GBP CAD while NZD CAD, I think it's a bit overstretched. I am still gonna wait for deeper retracement, as I said. But on the berry side, we have Euro USD. Look, for Euro USD, to be fair and to be honest, uh, if we're to look at this, we just faked out to the upside. Yeah, we just gave a fake out to the upside. We broke below. We could hold that support and be bears, but I am just really something like this. Something like this will do. I am gonna be monitoring too because we held that support. I'm hoping that we'll hold this resistant area here in this range. But I'm not promising that's the trade that I'll take. Also, GU, I'm not also looking for longs. Um, I am closely monitoring this area here to see the reaction as we get to that area. And my most important area for now, I think, is that support here. So if you come back here and get a reaction, I think I will look for shorts. To be fair, I don't think this will hold. I will look for shorts. I am closely basically I am closely monitoring I am closely monitoring GU and EU. So for GU, I am looking for a reaction on that support, on that resistant area, whether you call it fair value gap, whatever name you give it, it doesn't matter. So I think so this is what I'm waiting for a reaction there, a bit of a reaction and move to the lower side. If I can get that reaction, I think I'll be glad in terms of GU and EU. So I think those are the only things that I've been looking for. But now CHF it is a good trade that it's building up, to be honest, or that has, for some reason, I always doubted this trade. This is a beautiful trade. Not gonna lie, I always doubted this trade. I am gonna be watching this closely, to be honest. I am gonna be watching this closely as well. It is appetizing. It is appetizing. If we get a lower retracement, perhaps I'll consider taking it on the support as well. It is truly appetizing. Do not forget to like and subscribe. I'll come and go through your thing. I'm just finishing up. Yeah, let's speak about gold and indices, and then we can go to day trading. Then I can go through your comments. For me, it's a bit overstressed, man. I think for any decent move to happen, a retracement for Nasdaq, a retracement around 50%, and then we give signs of rejection, then I will consider it. But for now, it's a bit overstretched. Also, S&P 500, same thing. But S&P 500, I'll love back to if it comes back to the support as well. You know, when the market is this overstretched, I don't want to be caught with FOMO on the trade. Russell, perhaps for Russell, this area I will be considering it. And then I think, again, Russell, I'll be watching it closely if we can hold that support. If we come back, retest that support and move to the upside, I'll be very happy. Uh, US30, I just don't like the price action. I think that's where I am from in terms of indices and stocks, in terms of everything that I am watching for now. It is interesting that I only have one trade, and yes, I'm on a drawdown for now. Ah, come on, you can't be playing. I'm holding support. I'm on a drawdown, but let's see what the other trades look like as we move along. Let's see how the other trades look like as we move along. Let's go straight to the day trading, man. We spoke about a lot of things, and good news is today we'll be joined by a friend of mine. Today we'll be joined by a friend of mine. So do not leave your questions, leave your comments. Um, yeah, for the first time, I will have someone that will be co-hosting the show with. So, be that it said, let's go straight to day trading, man. Let's see what we have. We still had this. Okay, this is anyway. Hmm, look at this. Ah, yeah. Ah. So previous daily low, previous daily high. We are inside a daily fair value gap, yeah. We are inside a previous daily fair value gap, which is interesting. Are we gonna get a reaction? I think I need to stop this alarm now. Are we gonna get a reaction here and then we start moving back to the upside? I don't know. while hmm, we've just, to be fair, it seemed like there was like relatively equal lows there that S&P 500 has taken on the previous daily low, previous daily high. My bias today is practically neutral, man. Wait, let me see. Is there a game today? Oh God, I'm tired. Previous daily low, previous daily high. As I said again, we held that. We're still holding this daily fair value gap. Yeah. Are we gonna push to the upside, or good jobs data was likely giving us the retracement, the strong dollar currency. Even though it's bullish for the stocks, will it but give us a bit of retracement to at least to these areas? I don't know. I don't know. It's for us to see. But for today, I still don't have any bias. I would have loved to at least have a fair value gap here, and we don't. But there is a very strong support. There is a very strong support here. And this is still support. That's yo, yeah, ne? I don't know, man. We are holding this. If it continues holding, perhaps we'll be talking to the upside, but have no bias at all. Monday we did push yesterday to this high that I spoke about, and now we are coming lower. We could hold this kind of 4 hour fair value gap, kind of a breaker in here. Um, we could hold that and push the market to the upside. But if you get an invasion of this, I think it's done. Another point of reaction that I think also I am watching closely is this 1 hour fair value gap here. That can act as support as well. The market might move lower to just push back to this 1 hour fair value gap here and then reject from there. Also, S&P 500, this is a point of attraction for me. Can we get a rejection from there and push back to the upside? I don't know. Only God knows, man. So these are the areas that I'm looking for. But to be honest, look at that. An hour favor, look at very strong support here. I would love this for what if this 1 minute, 1 hour flips and closes above, we're likely to come back to that high. Uh, are we gonna get that? I don't know. What are the possibilities of getting that? I don't know still. But look at that. But let's see what we have here. So AM session came through. We swept over. Hmm, interesting. We've taken Asia and London high here at that high. We swept it. Let's see. Yep. We saw Asia and London high, and we shoot back to the downside. Oh, come on. We should back to that. We should lower and close below this current low and left this and left this 15 minutes for value gap here. And we could get a reaction from there and reject lower. I think we could get something like this. I think. So if there was an SMT there, let me see. I'll definitely consider it. Okay, there is. I might consider longing to this higher, and then from there I can short possibilities as well. Let's see. Yep. Yeah, I think. What's your take? Don't forget to like and subscribe. What's your take, man? This is an important 5 minutes, yeah. If we get an invasion, yeah, I wanna see what 1 minute does. Might look for long. Interesting. Well, get the 5 minutes of this 5 minutes of the recap. I will love it. I will truly love it. Let me move lower to show you what I'm talking about. If that becomes a true invasion, I will love this, man. I'll truly love it. Let's see. Right now, I'll be watching and do nothing. Yeah, I will be watching and do nothing. People, yes, I will be watching and do nothing. Oh, beautiful move. This is what I was talking about. We are holding this 1 minute for a look at there. I am not going to jump into it. I am closely watching the 5 minutes. I'm cold. Might have to go away, Jay-Z. Hey, let's watch 5 minutes. I love that it held. And so I'm going to wait for this next 5 minutes to close as well. So the closure of this 5 minutes as well, it will be a deciding factor for me because this one failed. So this closure of this five is a deciding factor. Yes, we held this 1 minute fair value gap. Yeah, definitely. Mhm. We held that 1 minute fair value gap. So upside, look at that. A push to the upside, it's not far-fetched, eh? Just gonna wait for the 5 minutes closure. Until then, I'm not taking any trade at all. That's 5 minutes closure is very important for me. So I'm gonna wait for this 5 minutes closure and then I decide what to do. Sometimes I have to take unpopular opinions. Sorry, I need to make coffee. Cold. Come on. Look at that. It is fine. Closure above. Look for reaction here. But I am still gonna wait for that 5 minutes I spoke about. Shit, I'm gonna have to put this on silent. It's annoying me now. Let's see. If I were to take a trade here, what happens? Stop loss below. Understood. Shucks. Okay. Doesn't do what I want. It's a bit overstretched unless I decide to take it there. Then I target this high. That makes logical sense. I think this makes logical sense. Retest of this invasion here and then look for longs. That makes sense. This trade makes sense more than anything. How that pushing to the upside. Okay, 1 minute before it close of this 5 minutes. Yeah. What a strong bullish five. Wow. Okay. Let's see what the five does. I am gonna try this. I am gonna try this. Oh shit. Okay. I'm not gonna add a limit. I'm just gonna see what's gonna happen. The idea was there, exactly what I wanted to do, but it returns back to that fair value gap push now without even looking back close to that 15 fair value gap. Um, Look, I don't think the trade that I wanted will have happened. Oh, look at that. No, I'm not gonna take a trade now. Yeah, I'm not gonna take it. And I see this tapping there. Once it taps there, I'm gonna look for shorts. The long didn't work, or the long didn't happen. Ooh, look at that. What's happening? Let me see something. Is there something happening? Is there something happening in the market? For the trade that I was looking for, it just did not even give me a time to breathe. Is Trump speaking? No one is speaking. Trump spoke around 5. Okay. I am gonna start to look for shorts now. This long didn't work. The idea was correct, but I mean for shorts, it would be interesting how can I get a short, hey? It would be an annoying space to get a short, yeah. I don't know how. Flip. Okay. I don't know how I'll get a shot, but I need to get a shot. Just gonna wait now. Yeah, kind of a breaker, 5 minutes. 5 minutes of nothing. We have just a small area that looks like an invasion. Tap there. I want to start to look for shorts because my first initial trade didn't work out. Okay. Hey, these people are sending texts like crazy. Yup. I have to put this on silent. Hey, these people are texting, and I need coffee or something to drink, guys. I need to go get something to drink before my friend joins me. Hey, this thing is loud. Gaga, gaga, gaga. Do not forget to like and subscribe as you're joining. Yo, 5 closure. If that closes, will we mark this as a market structure shift to come back to that area and reject back to the upside? I don't know. If this closes like that, this becomes a very tricky thing for me to trade in terms of what I'm looking for, in terms of a model. Come on, come on, go get my J's. I'm cold. Yeah, this is becoming tricky. This has become tricky. What do I do? What do I do? I don't know. I don't know. Just quickly get something to make coffee. I'm coming. I'm coming. Ah, ah, yo, eh. Let's do it. Open. Interesting. 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 Let's see what we have here. If that closes, I'm gonna go short. Let's see how this closes. I wanted this to close bearish, man. Let's see. Come on, close like this, buddy. I love this closure. Oh, not really. When I look for shorts, yeah. Yeah. Which one is weaker? Okay. I'm gonna set a limit, yeah. Just setting up my limit, sorry. And then I'll be working to get my friend in when that setup is done. I don't know if the market will reach where I want, but that's where my entry is. Do, 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 do. Oh, come on, man. This can't be happening. Ah, this can't be happening, to be fair. Oh, shucks. Okay. Just wanted a deeper retracement, man. I both trades for today, it seems like I've missed them. Immediately we got that closure. I was expecting a more retracement deeper to just fill that area here, but we didn't get that. So, nah, it's gone. It's gone. But let's wait a bit and see because it's still reacting on this 5 minutes fair value gap and it practically rejected there on the 15 minutes fair value gap. So if you want to see what I was looking at, just go back slightly. You'll see the explanation that I had on how I was looking for this trade. Both early trade as I started the stream and now I've missed both my trades. Very annoying because the market didn't retrace. But let me work on getting my friend on the stream. It's fine. Um, it happens, man. I'm still gonna wait and see if it's gonna. Should I wait? Let me think. I think the trade's not gonna happen. The market is gone. The market is gone. I think where it is, I don't think it will retrace and come back lower. I think by the virtue of how it's looking like, I should be moving to break even. Oh shucks, let me finish up my coffee. Oh, la, 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 la. Let me so call now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think now I should just remove my limit. Another mistrade again, two mistrades today. Okay, I am gonna remove my limit. Should I? Okay, let me wait up a bit. I can't trust this to hold. Let me see. 15 held. Can still come back to the 15. Oh, look what I just did. Can still come back to the 15. Let me see. About 75. Let me wait up and see. Just gonna wait up here and see what's gonna happen because this might flip here and to look for continuation to the upside because this cannot. Let me see. Mm, you see, already Nasdaq it's already holding this breaker. Ah, shucks, I'm gonna remove my limit, guy. Should I? I'm caught in between two spaces here. Should I remove my limit? I doubt. Perhaps we can still get here and reject and come back for this low. Let me wait up. Let me hold my horses. Let me hold my horses and see how it acts. Da-da, da-da. Still have my limit on. I didn't remove it. I'm just gonna set up for my friend as he comes through. That's a very aggressive move to the upside, eh? Okay, I'm on it. Oh, if I take a loss here, it's my fault to be honest, hey? This market has already it's setting up for longs, but shorts are still a possibility. If start rejecting lower, we get lower prices, and then perhaps I could look to move to break even. But I did speak about the possible rejection here to the upside. Use that as a high. But let's see. That's a very aggressive move to the upside. Uh, see. Okay. Possible work. It's holding the 3 minutes order block. So it could possible work, but let's see. I doubt it's not the best setup that I've ever taken. I doubted this at the first place. Immediately it went without me. This will be a point where I've moved my stop loss to break even. And me being me, I decided to be brave enough and stay on the trade, as I always do. And this might not look good for me. A flip here, take a loss. Oh, come on. Look at that. Flips this. Ah, look at this. Okay. Gonna look for longs. Gonna look for longs. I think I just committed suicide here. I just committed suicide, to be honest. Today I committed suicide. Okay, another loss. My own suicide today. It's on me. I exactly saw what's happening here. Because I guess, wanting to be arrogant. Sorry, arrogancy. I stayed on, even when I was not supposed to. And I look for continuation to the upside. This is one of those things where you trade and be like, today's loss, it's my fault. Full have, should have, I guess. One of those things. And I look for longs here. If you have to trace lower. Ah, yo, I get. The market doesn't want me to trade today. If this does not work out, I think I'm gonna call it a day early. I'm gonna wait for the body to join. Uh, where's this guy? I caused. I think. Yeah, this is a space where you like. Did I really? Did I really cause this to myself? Guess it's going without me, man. Genzega look. It's one of those things where you accept your fate, where you accept a loss and be like, yeah, today it's a definite loss. Tell me why. Look at this. Oh, okay. Three trades, missed all of them. Yeah, this is terrible. This was an unnecessary loss, to be honest. Spoke about a rejection on this five, break above, wait for a retest. We didn't get that retest, we just left. When we started the stream, I spoke about this break, wait for this invasion, come back, wait for a retest there. Hmm. Seems like guy has this. Ah, I have myself to blame. We did come back here. I removed my trade early. Let me think. Yeah, today I removed. I think today I didn't play well. That move did speak about this 5 minutes fair value gap to reject to the upside, and it rejected exactly where I was looking for longs as well. And then immediately we closed above, we didn't even get that retracement. We just pushed, continued. So I have myself to blame. Today I messed up. I think I was forcing to try play a move up to target this high as a low. And as I said earlier, that if we reject come back here without me moving my stop loss to break even, I should remove my limit. And I didn't do that. It just went all the way up, all the way up. It just went all the way up um, without me. So this is what I get from being arrogant. Unnecessary losses. Oh, did you get my text?
Let me take that. Hold on.
So as I was saying, what happened there? Oh shucks. I'm guessing if let me see. Uh, okay, the trade is gone, man. I don't think the trade will come back. I'm just waiting to add this guy and then I call it an early night. We could get a rejection, yeah, but I don't want it. Da-da-da. Okay, guys, I don't think the trade will work out. Should be honest with you. I think right now for me it's just to wait for my body to come through and we just go through things, man. Come on, man. Okay, it's gone. I don't even want to jump on a trade somewhere here. Okay. But missed three trades. I missed two trades, three trades practically, and one I just messed it up myself. Yeah. Okay. I have no other trade option for tonight. It's a day where I call you an early night. I'm just waiting for this guy to join you and then we can discuss. No, I'm not gonna look for any trade unless we come back here. I think sorry. The easy five, if you look up here, I think I messed up today. What did I want to say? That was a good trade, yeah. But that was clean. I don't know what I was thinking. Yeah. A rejection there to continue, perhaps. Yeah. So, hey man, this is annoying. So, I spoke of taking closing off a trade. I decided not to. Sometimes you're responsible for our losses. Like I am today. I'm responsible for my loss. Two losses in a row. Sorry. I wish. Come on. If we see that can you come lower, I'm not gonna even attempt to take another trade. Hold on. Oh yeah, we didn't even get any retracement at all. I just feel like I just was not patient enough. Okay. Um, can you hear me? Okay. Can you hear me? I can't hear. Reconnect mic. See options. Okay. Additional control. Okay. You speak so that I can hear if I can hear you. Because for now I can't hear anything. And then once that is done, then I can add you. Okay. Say something. I think I can't hear you for now. Let's see. Audio. Yes, yes. Wait. Okay. Okay. Say something, man. Wanna see if you're audible. Your camera is not. Just say something. It's fine. I just want to hear. It's not about the mic. Sometimes I can hear you, but I can see your chats. I can even add your chat on YouTube now. Oh, you're saying something. Okay, let's see if turn on your mic. Make sure that your computer mic is on. Doo-doo. Mic channel. Okay. Oh, video. That's yeah. I still can't hear you. I don't know why. Yesterday, but it could be me. Let me quickly do this. Oh, your camera is off. Okay, it's fine. Wow. Now, audio. Oh, shucks. Do you see my background or you see yourself only? Here we go. Allow for remote call. Okay. Quickly. And let me set my mics and everything. Mic, come here. Audio. Okay. Audio is here. Uh, I should be hearing you, but I don't know why. Earphones, yes. Okay. Everything on my side is fine. On your side, it's not. I'm wondering. Okay, let's do this. Don't give up on me, ne? When I try to do something, perhaps it's me. My settings are wrong. Uh, okay. Won't open, ne? You're talking about the mic. I should be hearing you. I'm wondering what's happening here. Yesterday just went straight solo talk. Okay, say something. I still can't. This guy is all blend. Okay. On YouTube, I'm trying to add a friend, yeah, and then he can speak through his chats. But um, I am struggling to hear. I am struggling to hear him. Oh, it's my setting. But my setting are correct. Okay, let me add you to YouTube, man. Let me add you on YouTube. And see if we are on YouTube, then we can hear each other. But we should be hearing each other here. See. Okay, I'm adding you on YouTube. Let's see. Uh, add a scene. I'm gonna add your name. Just quickly adding a scene on OBS and see if it will allow you to, if perhaps it will change the setting. And then add a source. Audio. Hey, technology, it's a problem, man. But I'm adding you now. Oh, let me see. No microphone selected. What microphone are you using? Are you using computer Intel, ne? Okay. You should be fine now. You can talk to me. No microphone selected. I have selected a microphone. Yes. Oh, now I did. So you didn't select a microphone at the beginning. Okay, I've clipped that. Say that again. Oh, I can't hear you. I thought I can. Okay. 190. Ah, is it 1920? 20. What's I'm just gonna get the resolution now. Sorry. Okay. Okay. 20. Fire. Okay. It is coming through. I'm waiting for a picture to come through. Okay, your picture is back here on my side. Um, I have not loaded you on YouTube, but I can see you properly on OBS. Am I still audible to you? You can do a thumbs up. I'll see you if you can hear me. Oh, perfect. Okay. And then let me see. Share your screen. Okay, hold on. Let me re-edit here. Oh, technology needs time, man. I don't know why your mic doesn't wanna. Oh, perfect. Okay. Okay, your picture is on my it's on my YouTube right now. Yeah, your analysis are clear. Okay. If we can get the audio working, that will be perfect. Okay. You have open gold, I think. Okay, let's see. Let's go back to what resolution are you using on a computer? Okay, let's go back to the chat. My camera is on right now. It's on right. Can you see? Okay. Now, I don't know what's happening with. Oh, you are muted, man. Okay, say something now. Can't hear you. Okay. I thought it's because you were muted, but you were muted. Let's see how it looks here. Hi. So okay, I'm looking at your chat. I'm looking at your gold. You're looking at the 4 hour time frame. Are you looking for a retracement to that support on the 4 hour time frame? Oh, okay. I see where you're saying it held support there. It held support there and pushed to the upside. I think that's where you marked. I think you know what? This is frustrating me. I wish I can get you. Oh, were you pointing? I see there. Yeah. Key point. Okay. So that's what you think maybe support will be held. point. And I think it's a SRH was showing that it was overbought, came back inside again. So a break above, a break above, you're looking at the bullish move to the upside. Break above, looking for a very strong bullish move to the upside. But already, don't you think that move has already happened given the fact that it held that support and it looks like it pushed to the upside? Is that, are you marking the all-time high? Oh, come on. I wish we can get. Oh, did you get your headphones? Wait, hold on. Gold might be overbought. Yeah, it might be overbought, but I don't think it's a good idea to look for shorts. Hold on. Wait. You got your earphones. Did you put in your earphones? Microphone, Intel Smart. Never. Oh, you don't gonna sell. And then why are you not audible? No, I didn't mean to do this. Hold on with the analysis, brother. Ah, shucks. Where are you? Okay, yeah. Okay. Wait, let me just quickly try to set this up. Microphone. You know, yesterday this thing didn't trouble me. It was straightforward. Mm, Fed, fine. Okay. Oh, okay. 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 Your video is back. I love that. And then, like, I've muted you. Just be patient a bit. Can mute. Because the problem could be me, hey? Problem could be me. That's the thing. Request a file. Okay. You know what? Yesterday was simple. Okay, let's continue, man. Let's continue so that we can end the stream. Just look at gold. and then we end the stream and we do it properly. Let me share this with you to show you that how we will work on it for tomorrow, and then we'll work on it to fix even your mic. And but this is how it looks like. Let me put it aside. I will share with you this. I don't know if you can hear me. Can you? If you can type on your chat, Jorge Sharp. Let me share this with you. I'm sharing this. Doo-doo. Yeah, this is how it looks. This is how your chat looks like. Can you see how clean it looks? I did share it on WhatsApp. Okay. You know what? Can you hear me? You know what? Let me do this so that we can make our life easy to work around it to know if it's a laptop or not. Let me call it a day on YouTube. We end the stream, but keep OBS in this and work around it while we are offline so that by tomorrow we'll be ready to get it through. And then you can have your normal headset or your phone as a camera because we can do both. You can have your phone as a camera and your chat and share your chat, and we go through them just like that. Um, so for now, yeah, you can use your phone as a mic. Perfect. Let's see. Click on the link on your phone and join with your phone and join your phone as a camera only before I end the live. Do that as. So join with your phone. Just click on the link on your phone and then turn on your camera, and then it will do what we want to do. And that will be nice. That's a good idea. If you can hear me, just quickly join using click the same link as well. That will be beautiful. I'm waiting for your phone to join. Why is it lagging a bit? Why is it lagging a bit? Why is it lagging a bit? Okay. There's a bit lag in my chats. I don't know why. But okay, perfect. Let's see if I can hear you. Oh, shucks.
Can you hear me now, Marvin?
Yeah, perfect. Okay.
Oh, you can.
Yeah, now it's perfect.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, hold on.
Hopefully, you can still see my screen, you know?
I can. Hold on. Let me try to add your voice to OBS to make sure that you're also audible on OBS. So I will be adding your phone as well on OBS. Just give me a minute. It's not echoing on your side, right?
No, 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 no. It's perfect. It's perfect.
Okay. Let me quickly do that now. Hey man, how have you been?
I've been great. I've been great. I hope your viewers and you are well too.
We're good, man. It's been a while, I think, and they're not hearing
It
you.
has been. It really has been.
Yeah. So what I'll do now, I'm just quickly adding you also, adding your camera as well. And then we go through everything, man. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Okay, source. I'm adding a source. Ghost camera. Hey, man, I had to work hard to find this way of doing things.
I
I
can
know,
imagine.
I know it's not ideal, but we'll work on perfecting it because now I'm doing all the changes while people are watching, and that's what. Luyanda, how's it, bro? I'm good, Luyanda Madlala. How are you? Why am I hearing myself? I hope it's not like that on the. Okay. Uh, just be patient a bit. And 20. Here we go. Camera. Okay, your mic on the camera, it's on. Let's see. Where's the camera? Yeah. Oh, perfect. Okay, I'm resizing you, ne? Because it's a bit big. Okay. You can position yourself properly on the mic, on the camera. I'll tell you if it's fine.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me properly?
I can hear you properly. Just say something.
Hello, hello, hello. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we look set. Okay, we look set. And then let me take your screen back to OBS. Sorry, I did remove your screen earlier on OBS. Now it's perfect. Let me take your screen back on OBS. Oh, shucks.
Hopefully you can see me perfectly. I'm trying to set up everything. And
I'll readjust, don't worry. Okay. Your screen is still shared, ne? Okay, wait. Okay, let me readjust your camera again. Oh, halfway, what's it? Awubonakala sharp. Let's see something. Okay. I don't know why I can't see your screen anymore. Can you hear me again? I'm struggling to see your. Okay, let me do this.
can you hear me now, my friend?
Oh,
Because I
your
couldn't
camera
hear
is
you.
off.
But
Your
for
laptop. You
now,
didn't share your screen. I think it's off. Oh shucks. What ended now? You ended something, what's it? Okay, we are left with your camera, not your computer. You need to rejoin with your computer.
okay, okay.
I
All
th I think you ended it by mistake. That is why I was not seeing it on the chat.
right. Okay.
Okay, it looks like it's coming back. Once it's here, and then we can edit, then we get going.
You
Ah,
can hear me, right?
yeah, you're very audible.
Okay, okay. Wonderful, wonderful stuff.
We will get better. We will apologize. We'll get better. You know how technology is.
Definitely.
Yeah. I think
Yeah.
after today we'll know how to reconnect everything and set it up properly. Now they can hear you. How have you been, man? What have you been trading?
So usual, I've been trading indices, prices, if you will, and metals. I've been keeping it quite brief, if I can put it like that. Trading very volatile and risky assets, if I can put
You
it like
have
that.
been.
Um,
Okay. Even though it makes sense.
I feel like
Okay.
the most important thing we can talk about is how have I been, performing. Like trading.
How
That's
have
a different story. That's a
say,
different story now. But
say that again. My phone just joined. Okay, say that again. I think it just disappeared on my side. I don't know why. The camera just disappeared. But no, we can continue talking. Don't worry.
thank you.
Yeah,
As I was saying that, you know, for the past few weeks, these markets have been really interesting, especially gold, with
yeah,
everything happening around the world. There was so many uncertainty and you know
yeah.
so many interesting facts that
That I
allowed
worry.
gold to react the way it did.
Oh yeah, I agree. I agree. I agree. I will agree more. I think gold right now it's an all-time high, and I think the best way and what we can look at is just a bit of retracement. I was looking at the PMI data and the jobs data. It looks like the jobs data is recovering, and the recovery of the jobs data, that might still push gold lower, maybe to get us an opportunity to get a trade to the upside. But in terms of performance on my side, on the swinging positioning side, it's been terrible, man.
I mean, that just summarize a lot of traders' performance in the past few weeks. Especially even taught, self-taught, or professional traders. They have experienced a very, very interesting um, trading year, if we can put it like that. You know,
Just
especially
before we,
when we entered into.
just sorry to disturb you. Can you see my screen or you only see your screen on your computer?
I only see my screen on my computer. The only thing I see is your camera. I
Or
see you
you,
right now.
okay, it's perfect. I just wanted to see that. I just deliberately did that so that we are aware. I'm gonna retry again to add you on your phone and share your screen on your computer and share them straight to OBS, and then we can look at things as we're engaging. If that doesn't allow, I'll just add your camera, and then I think we'll work on share your screen on your computer.
Oh, I am currently sharing the screen. I don't know if you can see it.
Not yet. Not
This is
yet.
my gold chart.
Okay, not yet. I think I don't know what happened with your screen, yeah. But let me add your. Let's just give it time to see if it will load up. Hey, technology is a problem. Until you get used to it, it will revel you, man. So I know where my mistake is. I'll work on the mistake. So the overlay that I have on YouTube, I have to have it as a separate scene for us whenever we are streaming, so that I don't edit live on the other's live stream, but I can edit on the side. But for now, Let me quickly add you again, your camera. So yeah, man, I'm on a massive drawdown, but in terms of day trading, I'm on a I'm think 3% down, but I've been going, I'm like more like a break even for the past 3 months. Don't know why, but maybe because I've been busy. So that's something that I'm worried about.
Yeah, well, I totally understand. I was actually having a conversation with our old friends Chemiso,
Yeah,
and yeah, we quite mentioned that in the previous or in the past few weeks, the level of focus and consistency trading needed was quite heavy, if I can put it like that.
yeah.
There was a lot of demand in terms of attention,
Consistency,
consistency,
effort, and just showing up to the markets. And most of us sometimes we don't have that time. There's a lot of things that has been happening in a space of a short period of time, which caused a lot of, I feel like, drawdowns in a lot of accounts, of course. So that has been interesting, actually.
I do
I
agree.
feel
And
like
also,
also
if we're to look
in
at it
terms of
right here,
psychology, it tested people's psychology a lot because of now. You're a person that spends like most of the time off screen. By
okay,
the time you come back, you find
you are
out that
breaking. I don't know.
gold has moved 30 to 40 pips in 1 session, and that FOMO starts hitting you
I
quite
think
hard
something is
too.
happening with your network. You were breaking. So repeat that again.
Can you hear me? Can you still hear me, my friend?
This guy's gone on me. Eh? Oh shucks. Okay. That's my live stream will continue. Oh, stupid computer. Okay, say that again. Can you hear me? I can hear you. I don't know if your camera went on a freeze mode. Yeah, not your camera. Suppose your mic.
Yeah.
I can't hear this guy anymore. What happened there? Okay. Hmm. Can't hear you at all. Your camera is working properly, but for some reason I can't hear you. Okay. Ongwa. Yeah, now you're audible.
I can hear.
Yeah, now you're audible. Yeah,
I
what was
can.
wrong?
I don't know.
I don't know. I really don't know because
Other than that, I feel like for the moment you are
other than
you're
that,
connecting up. For the moment,
theory, psychology, and other things that caused so many traders to go into a drawdown.
the
As
the level of attention that was needed in these past
the
few weeks
was very, very high, and a lot of people don't have the time to give that effort,
Sure.
you know.
FOMO gets to the mind.
And FOMO gets to the mind because you leave your screen, you come back to find out that gold has moved 30 to 40 pips up, and that FOMO starts hitting you. Your psychology goes out the window, and you start trying to catch the move, and the move has already passed you, you know. That causes a lot
I
of
agree.
problems,
For me,
and it happens to the best of us, to be honest.
I think I agree. Lately, I've been selling properties. What have I been doing? There's a lot of things that I feel like I've been doing, as much as sometimes you feel like you're not as productive as you wished. But I have been doing a lot of things, and at the end of the day, I realized that I think that has pushed me away from the market where during in the morning I don't even wake up, check the markets, come back. That's when in the evening I get to look at the fundamentals. I look at my buyers when I'm about to trade, when I'm about to stream for the day's trading show. So you get not to miss a lot. So I think I need to find if I need to find my groove back in terms of swing trading because I have missed a lot of trades as well. And the ones that I took, there were C minus trades. And I think I have myself to blame for that. I honestly have myself to blame for that. But I guess it happens to the best. Look, to be honest, with trading, you can't have a consistent year where from January to December, you will say you never had a drawdown, even a bit. Even though there is such traders, but if you are honest with yourself, it's not as easy. Oh, this guy didn't hear me. Oh God, this thing's gonna. I'm assuming you didn't hear me. Interesting. Okay. I don't know if the guy Ghost can hear me. Unfortunately, his video is audible, but for some reason, my guy, I don't know if he's hearing me. I don't mean just quickly ask if he can hear me. It's the first time for us streaming together using the platform, so I think by tomorrow we'll have figured out, I will have set up a new use the same uh, layout and put it on the second scene to avoid a lot of things. Now he's back. Now you're back. Where have you been? What's happening? What's happening there, man? Now I hear your computer's clicking. Okay. My guy is nowhere to be found, guys. Wankwa, I can hear you. I don't know if I can hear your background moving, but you are not saying anything.
Can you hear me now? All right.
Yeah, I can. What's happening? Does your computer freezes or your voice freezes in between?
Let me let me switch off the mic and on the computer.
Oh, okay.
So hopefully you guys can see me. Hopefully you guys can hear me.
Yeah, you're clearly audible now. Clearly
Okay.
audible.
Now let's go through the charts. Hopefully it will allow us to do that. Now,
Okay, hold on. Let me quickly do this. Oh, come on. Okay, now your chats are on. What happened to the? Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, let me try add the chats on the screen now. Hopefully it will allow us to. I'm adding your chat on my screen. Hold on for me. So tomorrow, whenever we'll stream again together, I think when you use your phone to have at least headsets. I think it avoids the echoing between when I speak because it's